Hello and welcome to Genfo. This is the March update. My name is Anja Thyssen. Now, first things first, what takes up a lot of space in our Genfo environment these days is that my colleague, Stephen Phillips, will be retiring by the end of this month. So come 1st of April, Stephen won't be here on a regular basis anymore. Hopefully we'll see him around, but he's stepping down. We will miss him a lot. He has a lot of knowledge in this field, has been in the industry for a long time, and has a great number of insights that have been really, really valuable. So please reach out to Stephen if you want to send him a small note. I'm sure he will appreciate that. Now, in the first months of this year, Stephen and I have been working on a research topic, which has been Teams and AI. And the way we are working is that we actually try to read a lot of things about what is going on in the industry. Then we reach out to people, industry experts, people from the Genfo community, and other people that we think could be relevant. Based on that, we often have a community session where we're also gathering a lot of insights and different thoughts on a topic. And in this month, we have been publishing a couple of reports based on such a research. One of them is Information Management at a Crossroad. That is a report which is built on a number of interviews I've done over the past half year about how people are seeing the future, the kind of challenges they are seeing, and in general, just an update on where things heading. The second report is mainly based on a community session we did in January, but is also based on a lot of other insights and inputs we've gathered from around. It's called 7 Priorities for Information Managers and is available as a report, and there's also a short blog post. So have a look at that and see if that's of any use. What we're finding in general is that quality in times of AI is really, really important, as we have been talking about several times. Thinking critically is more important than ever, and this is where we definitely have an edge as information professionals. Also applying judgment, having a critical view on the sources used by AI, and guiding end users on how to use AI in the best way and in the right way, because that's another issue that we often come across. Now we are going into a very busy period in March because we have a couple of events coming up and mainly concentrated on IP licensing and licensing for AI. We'll have an in-person event at the FT, which will be about IP licensing and how FT is seeing that, and with a couple of different panels that will discuss this in more details. Then building on top of that, we have a community call on the 24th to continue the dialogue and to pick up on what did we find and so what does that mean in the practical world. We'll be looking at different models, we'll be looking at data rights and compliance, and this we can see is a hot topic not only in our community but also in the broader media landscape. Of course, we'll be sharing our findings after these sessions, as always. So we're looking forward to doing that. And we're looking forward to hopefully seeing a lot of people at the FT event. It's open for everybody, so please register as soon as possible. The seats are filling up really fast. As always, we are around. Please send us an email or give us a call if you want to have a discussion about a specific topic, if you want to investigate what a Genfo membership means. And then there's only to say have a good day and thanks for listening.